Okay.
What's up and welcome back to my channel. Jadi di video kali ini kita akan reaction Ome TV lagi itu yang itu fuckboy yang channelnya Fiki. Fuckboy? Iya fuckboy, menurut saya fuckboy. Kita kan ini punya menurut masing-masing kan? Iya, pandangan masing-masing. Menurut saya itu bikin Naki itu fuckboy. What? Kalau nggak fuckboy itu jangan gombalin orang gitu.
Yang Nyamperin.
Oh, iya. Menurut saya sih. Oke, video kali ini kita akan nge-reaction yang judulnya Cewek Thailand ini mau nyamperin aku ke Indonesia. Wih, mantap kali. Dayana di mana nih?
Gimana? Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? Oke, tanpa basa-basi langsung saja ke videonya.
Hi.
Hi.
What does your shirt say? Time? No time.
Nggak ada waktu.
For romance.
Gue bisa sih biar nggak ada subtitlenya bisa
For romance.
Asal ngerti.
You have time for me, huh?
I don't have.
Romance. Alright.
Oh, itu saya baca bukan the time itu.
The time apa?
No. No.
So many questions, my bad. Okay.
I am from Romania.
From Romania. Oh, wait. What a coincidence. I started learning Romanian a week ago.
Iya, multi talent memang.
Kasih tahu.
Okay.
Da, studiez limba română de 7 zile. Ce faci?
Wih.
That sounds nice.
Ești foarte...
Rambutnya jangan di itu dulu.
Mulțumesc frumos.
Iya, makasih ganteng. Subtitlenya.
Ești drăguț.
Mulțumesc.
You really speak some words. I mean, yeah.
Ce ani ai?
Ești român?
No.
Kamu fasih sekali tuh, fasih tuh.
Ești român? Nu.
Fasih. Iya, fasih.
No,
Sama
I'm
kita.
not Romanian. I am not
You
Romanian.
understand? Speak.
Okay,
Bikin
but
pusing
you're
pak.
Român. Ești român?
Ești Romanian?
Masih penasaran ini?
Ia zi, ești român?
No. Sunt din Indonesia. Indonesia.
Nggak yakin pak kita.
Dipaksa.
Okay, and where are you living?
Di rumah lah.
Indonesia. I don't know. I don't understand.
Hah?
Because I choose United States.
Dia pakai
And I
VPN.
people in Indonesia, people here in Romania.
Pakai VPN.
So you've
Biasa kalau gabut saya suka buka VPN sama web browser sih.
Yeah.
Nonton apa
Do they speak
tuh?
Romanian too?
Sama TV anjing.
No.
Okay, I'm the first one.
Iya.
Yes, you are the first one and the best one.
Hey, thank you. I like that.
Emang Pak Budi.
I don't know why, but they all skip me. I don't know why.
Why did I skip you? You look nice. Yeah, beautiful and nice. It's okay. I like your
I'm just
smile.
fine. Thank you very much.
How do you say that in?
What? Baru dia.
Kayak kebiasaan ini yang kan cewek kan? Kayak digombal-gombal. Kebiasaan ini.
Hi.
Wait.
Hi.
Hai.
What's up? How are you?
Ini kayak Arab-Arab ini, Cok.
I'm doing
Hidungnya ya?
really good.
Okay. Are you doing a video right now on YouTube or something?
What do you mean?
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Are you sure?
Why? Yeah.
Okay.
Oke.
TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok.
You make a TikTok right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna skip. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Memang kalau cewek luar negeri tau.
Okay.
Ya. Ini yang di thumbnail lah.
Ya, yang thumbnailnya ya.
Oh, yang thumbnailnya
Iya, orang Thailand.
Oh.
Hi.
What's up?
Hello.
Hai.
I'm good. Good. How are you?
Doing good. I mean, not really.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Nemskan.
My name, Naki. What's yours?
Dani.
Dari.
Mirip Kidayana Dani.
Yeah.
Iya, Cok. Mirip ya. Dayana Dani. Alright, baby. Alright.
What is that short for something? Is it short for something or?
Is it an ugly name? Because, you know, a lot
No. It's just interesting.
of people on here say that's ugly name.
Nah, ini pintarnya
No, I
begini
mean
ini.
it's kind of.
Supaya banyak ini enggak, supaya banyak ini percakapan. Dipuji dia ini, jelek-jelekin namanya kan, supaya banyak pembahasan. Iya, lebih dipuji gitu.
I don't.
Merendah buat
Meroket.
gitu.
Okay. So do Indonesian people have like longer names? Is Naki like a nickname or is that your actual like full name?
No, that's my nickname. Yeah, you're correct.
Okay. Well,
What about?
yeah. I mean,
So not
I'm-
ugly
I-
name.
no.
What about ugly face?
No. Definitely not.
Oh, gimana kalau Flash?
Gak bosan gila-gila.
Sorry?
Kinda cute.
Cute.
Yeah.
Kayak gagal fokus ke sama ceweknya ini.
Apanya yang bikin gagal fokus?
Enggak. Kalau
Terlalu bulat ya.
I'm serious.
I think you're cute.
Oh, really? Oh my god. You really
Yeah,
what?
where in Indonesia are you?
Jakarta.
Okay, so right in the heart. Okay.
Ya,
Yeah.
I've
semua.
never been, but I want to.
So I assume that you were from the UK.
I'm half English, half Thai. But at the moment, I'm in Thailand right now.
Nice. Question.
Yeah. Yes, shoot.
Oh,
No, come on, give it.
baru-baru juga ini si cewek.
first sight.
Dia udah ini mulai ngembal kan? Menurut saya itu,
Tapi napas ya.
iya menurut saya itu dia itu fuckboy.
Yes, okay.
I believe in potential at first sight.
Yeah, same. I know I didn't, but I think I do now.
Percaya. Pandangan pertama.
I see what you mean. I see.
Yeah, so you don't believe it?
I kind of do. I'd like to believe it.
Okay.
I'm a big romantic,
Okay.
so I'd like.
Okay, look at something else. Okay.
Okay.
Look at me. What about second sight?
Wah, masuk. Bisa.
Wow, that's cool. Okay.
You like that?
Coba lihat ke sana.
I do it.
Coba lihat ke sana. Mas coba lihat ke sana saja terus.
I like that.
Anyway, you go to
Dia
college.
pick comeback saya, dikatain si lu pakai pick
And
comeback.
so I'm studying law at the moment in London.
Law.
Hukum.
Yeah.
I have to be careful. I understand.
Yes, you do.
Jangan sampai.
What's your favorite subject?
Well, at the moment, probably
Property.
property.
Lu juga saya
law.
gitu, ambil pro ini hukum.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love chemistry.
Yeah.
Jarang properti. Properti.
Especially.
Yeah.
Cara.
I think you're very, very witty. I like you. I think you're very,
Hey.
very quick.
Finally,
Yeay.
someone likes me. It's hard, you know. So, what do you like about the? Where do you live now, by the way?
Well, because of COVID, right now I'm in Bangkok, but I went to London at uni. So yeah.
Anas
I've
suntik
moved around a
titik
lot,
bala.
different places. Yeah.
I have never been to any other country.
No?
No.
No, at all. What about holidays?
Holidays, stay home, learn languages. You know, that's what I like to do. But maybe later, I do want to travel now. To,
Iya.
Banyak itu cewek dijanji bos.
Definitely, I mean, I'll be a tour guide.
Iya dong. Kalau
I feel like
a tour guide.
Tour guide.
I'm a very good tour guide.
Okay.
Bisa dong.
Oh, guys. Best food. I can show you best food.
Best food.
Iya, sama tempat tidur yang enak
You
juga
want
ya
Thai
bisa.
food? Wait. What is that? Wait. Let me see.
What do you mean?
Oh wait. Okay. You want?
Sama kayaknya deh.
Wait.
What?
What? Kok bisa? Woi, Pak, maksud nggak kayak gimana nih?
Apa?
Tidak
Apa?
percaya. Kayak dibilang settingan tidak juga tuh.
Iya.
Karena percaya orang.
Saya percaya bilang itu minuman.
Pas
What is it say?
Yeah, look.
What? Sama. Saya juga.
I got it.
apa ya?
We
Apa?
in common and then again. I think it's just meant to be.
Udah ditak. Wih, ditakdirin cuk.
It definitely is. I always drink this.
Sama. Saya
You know,
juga.
I work at night, so yeah, I told you I work. I work at night.
Yeah.
And this baby right here is taking away.
Endorse lagi bos.
I mean, studying, law can be such a challenge, and especially with the time difference, because obviously I study in London and everything. I have lectures at like 2 a.m. So
Jam
this
pagi.
lifesaver.
Yeah. Wait. So you speak Thai, right? Of course.
yeah, definitely. Yep.
Can I learn some? Because I know there's a sawadi.
Sawadi.
Thai.
Sawadikap. Iya.
Cute.
Kap. Itu kalau main bola kap.
But yeah, it's a little hard for me because I have never actually learned any Asian languages. European, I think it's easier for some reason. So yeah, but I still.
I mean, Thai is a hard language. It's a hard language. But I will say, I think it's easier to learn like speaking than it is writing and reading. I'm not that good at like writing. It will take me an hour to write like
Yeah.
5 sentences.
But
But I
yeah,
can,
how do you say, how old are you?
we say คุณอายุเท่าไหร่
Are you right?
คน
Perfect.
Perfect. Is it
That
good?
was pretty
Settle.
perfect. Yeah. So คุณ is
Warna ini dong.
Kun kamu.
Good, you.
คุณ and อายุ is age
Oh, kalau ada ayu.
and
Ayu.
เท่าไหร่ is like amount.
Ayu umur.
So how old are you?
Amount?
Yeah.
Doesn't make any sense.
That's how you ask it in Thailand. You kind of just like combine lots of different words, be like the amount of age you are. That's what it's asking.
Oh, so if you directly translate that word
It's
to English,
the amount. Yeah.
kun how again?
Kun
Sorry.
apa kun? Coba lagi.
Kun.
คุณอายุเท่าไหร่
เท่าไหร่คุณอายุเท่าไหร่
Kun.
Bukan Thai Rai.
How old are you?
Thai Rai itu. Thai kuning.
I'm 19.
That's perfect.
19.
Dikit berapa?
20. 21 kayaknya.
think I was?
No.
Kalau saya 20. Kalau saya yang kuliah tuh 20 21.
Oh, okay. When's your birthday? What month?
July.
Okay.
You
October.
please, you,
October.
please.
Paksa.
Oktober.
What about this one? There's a Thai word here.
Wait, there's Thai on that too?
Yeah. Oh, same packaging.
Iya, di bahasa Thailand.
the same packaging.
Yeah.
I didn't realize. Oh, because it's Thai coffee. It's like made of
Oh,
Thai
Thai.
coffee beans. That's why.
Yeah. So what's this?
It says lucky day. So the same as the English, but just in like a Thai accent.
What's the the bottom one? The bottom one. Yeah. That's,
It's cafe, so coffee. Kem, which means like strong or deep. And
Oh.
man, which means creamy, like wholesome, sweet. I feel like
Promosi.
I'm being very descriptive here.
Ekspresi kan kita.
so what's your?
Buaya.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Kira-kira mana minta kau? Saya mau nomor.
No, maybe not. Number. That's
Nomor.
Bukan nomor. Instagram.
Ya, Instagram.
Instagram? Okay, I can do that. It's Dani, so DANIE.
Daine.
Underscore
Full cipas.
CRO.
Kaget gini, lihat apa lo senang apa nih? Kaget gini.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my God.
What's yours?
You are so beautiful. Not gonna lie.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm gonna text you.
Aku DM ya.
Okay, sure.
Oke.
Apa ada?
DM-nya?
Nggak usah DM,
Enggak masuk DM-nya tuh cewek.
Hello.
Enggak masuk.
It was corrected.
Hello. You said hello. You said hello, not hello.
Hello. Wait. Let me wait.
Yeah.
Hang on. Did I see you have 1.7 million?
Pasti kagak kalau nggak boleh itu. Instagram Fiki.
Hey. So yeah, I make
Wait.
right.
How is this?
I don't know. People just started following me. I don't know why.
Aku enggak tahu.
Iya, harus gitu senjatanya harus gitu.
What's the secret? What is it?
Ya beli followers lah.
Lagi
Gitu
Okay,
kan
what
gitu.
are you doing?
Semua followers lah.
tentang apa? Ya tentang apa?
That part is a little complicated.
You so mysterious.
Yeah, I think we have to be couple. I know, I mean friends.
I'm not sure if that was very smooth there.
Hey.
No, I agree. I think we what's the word? We like very well.
Sesuai kita dapat banget sih.
You know what I mean? I can feel like
Ditambahin kan?
energy.
Chemistry lagi.
Again, chemistry. So you don't like chemistry?
It was my least favorite science subject in school. But I don't know, maybe I like it if you make me like it.
But you do like chemistry, like fun. No.
Apa?
I like it. I like our chemistry. I think it's potential.
Potential.
Yeah.
No, the real question. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh, really?
No, I don't.
Yes,
Besar.
sempurna.
You know, we can start there.
I like,
You can start.
it's-
Your friend, you teach me. Then can
Dari situ kita.
we'll see. We'll see when we get there.
yeah. So, are you coming to Indonesia or what? No.
I'll say yes when it's possible.
Alright.
You know, COVID and all that.
You have never been to Bali, right?
No, never.
Jakarta, never.
No, never anywhere. Not in Indonesia.
So if you wanted to go there, just tell me. You know, I think we should hang out for.
Hang out.
Just hang out. Start there. And then,
Wait, berawal dari situ.
Kurang-kurang mulu ini. Stitch lucu pik.
Okay, I'll send those. He's texting. I don't know. I love you.
Gift.
Oh, you're lazy, huh? You don't want.
No, I'm not lazy. I'm just really good at like choosing the best one. You know, to make people laugh.
Oh, okay. So you have a lot of those.
Yeah.
Banyak stiker ya. Stiker gift.
Okay, I can see.
I can see.
So yeah. So I'll text you. We'll find the time. Start there, okay?
Memulai.
Cool.
Saya kalau bikin itu di balik layar kan penasaran mah apa sih nah?
Nice to meet you.
Saja. Isi yang mananya?
Maksudnya
Dari.
Cina.
I can feel this.
Bukan ya.
I'm very glad to meet you too.
I'll text you later.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Dari.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Dah.
Biasa dari.
Mame TV.
What just happened? Alright.
Susah memang buat konten.
Hi. I don't have candy. Dang it. Yeah, where are you from?
You know what you guys?
Thanks. Oh. Is it that good? Oh my god. Do you understand the English language?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why aren't you talking the whole time? I was speaking the whole time and you don't even. Oh my god. I can't. Hello? Oh,
Hello.
I'm actually.
Dia di skip. Dia di skip dia aja. Kira Fiki Naki yang di skip dia anjir lah. Dia yang di skip.
Banyak tuh kado-kado. Ania dan Dayana.
Ya.
Balap itu.
Ya.
Sama dulu ini. Kayak dia bilang ini Fiki Cewek lagi mau diperebutkan.
Hah? Menurutmu kalau kau sebagai Fiki yang mana kau pilih menurutmu?
Kalau saya Dayana.
Dayana.
Kalau kau?
Kalau saya masih Dayana.
Kalau saya bukan Dayana sih.
Dayana siapa lek?
Gayana.
Oke. Untuk video kali ini mungkin sekian ya.
Sekian dan terima kasih. Jangan lupa like, comment, share, and subscribe.